Lightweight, powerful, tactical. This is the compact M4 air rifle, the perfect fusion of military-style design and modern airgun performance. Whether you're training, plinking, or just love that M4 look, this rifle delivers precision and control in a compact form. Get ready to experience power in your hands. Compact, efficient, and built for action. The compact M4 air rifle stands out with its authentic tactical design, inspired by the iconic military-style M4 platform. Built for those who value both form and function, this air rifle delivers a striking balance between realism and usability. From its adjustable stock to the detailed upper and lower receivers, every element is crafted to mirror the feel of a real M4 carbine. This makes it a top choice for enthusiasts who want a training tool that looks and handles like the real thing, without the need for live ammunition. The compact size enhances maneuverability, allowing you to move quickly and aim with ease. Whether you're navigating tight spaces in a tactical setup or enjoying a day of plinking in the backyard, its rail system allows for easy customization, letting you mount optics, lights, or grips to match your shooting style. Whether you're training for tactical precision or just love the look and feel of military-grade gear, the compact M4 air rifle delivers an immersive experience. It's not just about shooting, it's about stepping into the role, feeling the grip, the weight, the control. This is tactical design built for action. Don't let its size fool you. The compact M4 air rifle packs a punch. Designed for performance without the bulk, this air rifle delivers impressive power while remaining light and easy to handle. Its compact frame ensures minimal fatigue during extended use, making it ideal for long training sessions, target practice, or casual shooting. Weighing in lighter than traditional air rifles, the compact M4 gives you greater mobility and faster target acquisition. Whether you're shooting from a static position or moving through a dynamic setup, this rifle keeps you agile and in control. The reduced weight also makes it a perfect choice for younger shooters or beginners who want to experience a high-performance rifle without the intimidation factor. Despite its lightweight design, it doesn't compromise on strength. The internal mechanism is engineered for consistent velocity and reliable firing, shot after shot. Whether you're hitting paper targets or knocking down cans, the compact M4 offers the firepower you need and the confidence that comes with it. It's the ideal blend of portability and performance. When speed, accuracy, and ease of use matter, the compact M4 air rifle delivers with lightweight precision. When it comes to air rifles, performance isn't just about power, it's about precision and control. The compact M4 air rifle was engineered with that philosophy in mind, offering shooters an experience that's not only powerful, but incredibly accurate and easy to manage. Whether you're a seasoned marksman or a beginner still mastering your aim, this rifle gives you the tools to shoot with confidence. At the heart of its accuracy is a high-quality barrel designed for consistent trajectory and minimal deviation. Each shot you take feels deliberate, clean, and on target. The rifled barrel ensures the projectile stays stable mid-flight, delivering tight groupings even at extended distances. That's essential for training, competition, or backyard practice. Anytime precision counts. But great accuracy isn't just about the barrel, it's about how the rifle handles. The compact M4 features an ergonomic grip and adjustable stock, allowing you to customize the fit to your body and shooting stance. This enhances comfort, reduces fatigue, and ultimately gives you more control over every movement and trigger pull. A rifle that fits you well performs better in your hands, and this one was made to adapt. The trigger system is another highlight. Crisp, responsive, and smooth, it allows for clean breaks with minimal effort. That means less movement during the shot and better follow-through, a key factor in consistent shooting performance. Whether you're practicing for precision shooting or teaching a new shooter the fundamentals, this trigger gives you the responsiveness you need to develop muscle memory and refine your technique. Integrated adjustable sights let you fine-tune your aim, and the top-mounted Picatinny rail gives you the freedom to add optics or red dot sights for even greater precision. Whether you're using open sights or high-end scopes, the compact M4 adapts to your preferences and elevates your shooting accuracy to the next level. Another critical part of control is shot consistency, and this rifle delivers. Thanks to its well-balanced build and smooth cocking mechanism, you can maintain a steady rhythm during shooting sessions without fighting the rifle. It works with you, not against you. The balance between power and precision is what makes this rifle stand out. Too much force without control can throw off your aim. Too little power, and you lose effectiveness. The compact M4 air rifle hits that sweet spot, giving you the ability to control each shot while still feeling the strength behind it. In the hands of the right shooter, the compact M4 becomes more than just an air rifle. It becomes an extension of their skill. From bullseye target practice to reactive shooting drills, it performs reliably across the board. If you're looking for an air rifle that gives you the precision of a pro and the control to grow your skills, the compact M4 air rifle is built for you. This is where accuracy meets versatility and where every shot matters. The compact M4 air rifle isn't just another air gun. It's a statement of performance, design, and control. From its tactical styling that mirrors the legendary M4 platform, to its lightweight power that keeps you agile and responsive, and its finely tuned precision and control that elevates every shot. This rifle is built for shooters who demand more. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes, an enthusiast looking to level up, or a pro seeking a dependable training companion, the compact M4 delivers on all fronts. It combines the feel of real-world tactical gear with the practicality and fun of air rifle shooting. Take aim with confidence, move with purpose, fire with accuracy. The compact M4 air rifle, where power meets precision in every pull of the trigger.